I'd like to say thank you for Rollingdog for sending out this professional paint roller kit for me to review on my channel. I have not been paid by Rollingdog or told what to say, but I did receive this product for free. As always, my opinions will be honest and truthful. In the box, we have one paint bucket, one lid, one roller, roller brush, mini roller brush, the ends for the roller, bags to keep your trays clean. They sell these on Amazon, so if you need any more, just have a look on their Amazon website to purchase. You have a cleaning tool and you have an extension pole. Let's take a look inside the box. There we have a tray, or also the lid for the bucket. Your extension pole for your roller. Your main paint bucket. Inside your rollers and everything else. Nice size bucket. Feels good quality. So yeah, let's take a look. I like how everything that comes with it fits inside the paint bucket. And the lid, which also acts as a small paint tray, fits on top of the bucket. You got your carry handle. All this gear is available on the Amazon website. There will be a link in the description so you can take a look and purchase one yourself. Here we have a nice size 18-inch roller. I will be painting my outside shed with it shortly, as soon as the weather holds off and gets a bit better, as I'm in South Wales and all it's basically doing is raining all the time. But yeah, feels really good quality. There is your paint cleaning tool. That side there for cleaning the brushes, that side for cleaning your rollers. We'll have a look at this. We'll have a look at this in more detail a bit later. Spare 18-inch roller. Comes with your little mini roller. Comes with 5 mini roller rolls. There's your ends for your roller. Oh, actually it comes with 6, there's one item there. So actually the mini roller comes with 6 little roller pads. That's for your paint bucket liners. And paint tray liners for the top tray if you don't need to use the bucket. Your roller measures in at 18 inches, which is what's to be expected as it's an 18-inch kit. Overall length of the paint tray is 2 foot 24 inches, just over 600 millimeter. By 350 millimeter, just under 14 inches. But like I said, nice quality paint roller tray. Your little mini rollers are 5 inches, just shy of 5 inches. Just slides in. And clips in, obviously. There we go. Nice quality handle. Nice grip to it. Nice texture. You have adjustable. Sorry, it's not adjust. No, that's just for taking. That's just for taking your rollers off. And then just simply slide back in. And then just tighten back up. Can't wait to try it, in all honesty. Feels really good quality. Like I said, we'll try it on the shed and see just how it goes. Just slacken that off just a touch. That's better, so the roller spins easier, giving you a better finish. And here we have the main item, the big paint bucket for if you've got a really big job on. This measures in 23.5 inches by 11.5 inches by 13.5 inches. And the good thing is, everything stores neatly inside. Just make sure to use your bucket liners so you don't get this lovely bucket covered in paint. Same for the tray if you're using the tray. I love the fact that everything stores neatly inside. Everything stores lovely inside, ready to take to your next job. Here we have the telescopic handle. I think it goes to 3 foot. I'll have to check. Allen key to adjust the cam locks. Simply screws into the handle of your main roller. We'll measure that now fully extended. I'll tell you what it is. Four foot. Comes in at 48 inches, 4 foot, fully extended to the tip of the roller. So enough to reach most ceilings in houses. Right, we'll pour some paint in the bucket or the tray and I'll paint my shed and I'll give you my honest opinion, but so far I can't see any problem with it. Looks good quality. So yeah, let's have a crack. I'm going to use the tray to paint the shed rather than a bucket because it's only a small shed. These tray liners are pretty good quality, in all honesty. I thought they were just going to be a one-time use, but apparently looking at these, looks as though it can be used several times. Nice and clean. Nice elasticated as well to go around. I'm not a person who likes painting, but I've got to be honest, with this roller, the paint is going on extremely well, making it effortless. Absolutely killing it with this roller kit. This paint is quite thick, it's masonry paint, and it is going on extremely well with an even coverage. I did try and remove the handrail before painting the shed, but the bolts were rounded off, so I just left it on. But yeah, for somebody that doesn't like painting, this roller kit makes it a breeze. As you can see, it is absolutely flying on. The small hand roller that's included in the kit came in extremely handy for getting in between the rail, being as I couldn't remove it, as the large roller was way too big to fit in between. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and please subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one.